already I have written the 6 words. And now see in your book page number 17. Here some pictures have given, and in this section you can see all the first letter K has written. All the first letter K has written, but the after letter has blank, and you have to fill the blanks with the correct letter. Match with the pictures. Now see the picture. This is a picture of a koala, and the first letter K has written. Now here the spelling of koala is K-O-A-L-A. So you have to fill all the blanks just like this. Next, the number 2. The picture is of a king. K-I-N-G, king. K-I-N-G, king. And you have to write the letter in your book. Then the third picture is kettle. Here is the spelling K-E-T-T-L-E, kettle. And number 4, the picture is of a kiwi, and the spelling is K-I-W-I. Then key, K-E-Y, key. Then kick, K-I-C-K, kick. So read all the spelling carefully and write the correct letters in your book. Now turn the page number 18. And here the new alphabet is L. Here the new alphabet is L. In page number 18, read the task. Use the picture clues to unjumble the letters to find the names and write them down. Here 4 pictures are given, and you can see the names here has written but in unjumbled letters, and you have to arrange the letters to form the correct name. In the first picture, see in your book, the first picture is of a lamb, and you have to write in the box the correct spelling, and the correct spelling is L-A-M-P, lamb, number 1. And then number 2, leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Then number 3, lock, L-O-C-K, lock, L-O-C-K. Number 4, log, L-O-G. Read all the words, lamb, leaf, log, and then log. Now turn page number 19, and here the alphabet is M. The alphabet is M. And now read the task. Read the picture composition given below and fill in the blanks. At first, see the picture. The picture is of a man, and the line is the, then the picture is of a man. So you have to write in the blank man. The man, M-A-N, man. Then who lived with his pet? Who lived with his pet? You have to fill the blanks similarly. In this blank you have to write man. Then this is a picture of a monkey, so just write here monkey. You can see the spelling of monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. So monkey wore gloves, and gloves spelling is G-L-O-V-E-S, gloves. So just write here gloves. Then he saw the moon. Moon spelling M-O-O-N, moon, shining bright. Then again monkey chased a rat. This is a picture of a rat, and rat spelling is R-A-T, rat. So just write here rat. Then again the man took some money from his pocket to buy some milk. You can see here the spelling of milk, M-I-L-K, milk, and money spelling is M-O-N-E-Y, money. Now turn the page number 20. And here the alphabet is N. Here the alphabet is N. And now read the task, page number 20. Use the words given in the blue box to write the names of the pictures given below. At first, read the blue box. Necklace, nuts, net, nails, nest, nose. So all the words start with N. And now see the picture. This is a picture of a necklace. So just write the necklace here. Then nails, N-A-I-L-S, nails. Then nose, net. Then nest, and this is a nuts. All the spelling written here you have to just match with the picture. Now here also some words start with N has written, so just read aloud the words. N-O-W, now, N-E-A-R, near, N-E-W, new, N-E-C-K, neck, N-I-N-E, nine. Now turn the page number 21, and the new letter is P. The new letter is P. And now read the task, page number 21. Write the letter P to complete the name of the pictures and put a cross where the name does not begin with P. You can see this is a picture of a penguin, and penguin start with P. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. So you have to write here P. Then pencil, and pencil spelling is P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. So just write the spelling. But ice cream start with I. So don't write here the spelling. Just put a cross. Put a cross in the blank space. Then apple. Apple also start with A, not P. So put a cross. Then here pods, P-O-D-S, start with P. So write the spelling. Then pear, P-E-A-R, pear. Pear also start with P. So just write the spelling. And here 5 words written start with P. Read aloud the words. P-E-T, pet. P-O-S-E, pose. P-A-L-N, palm. P-A-T, pat. P-A-N-T, plant. And all the 5 words start with P. Now from the page number 22. And here the task is color the picture of the queen. You can see here a picture of a queen has given, and you can fill with different type of colors to complete the picture as you like. And here 5 letters, 5 words start with Q has written. The words are quail, quit, white, kiwi and quit. Then turn the page number 23, and here the new alphabet is R, and the task is draw lines to match and complete the pictures. In the left side you can see this is a part of a scale, and in the right side see here the remaining portion of the scale. So just join a line from here to here. Then this is a picture of a rocket and a portion of a rocket, and this is the left portion. So join a line from here to here. Then this is a bundle of a rope, and this is the left portion. So just join them. Then this is a robot. So just join from left side to the right side. And here 5 words has written. So did allow the words. The words are roll, road, rest, right, rear, red. Now turn the page number 24. And here the new alphabet is S. In the picture given below, circle all the objects whose names begin with S. Suppose this is a picture of a sun, and sun spelling is S-U-N, sun. Sun spelling is S-U-N, sun. So you have to circle around the sun. Then what is this? In the ground floor, the ground is made up by soil, and soil spelling is S-O-I-L, soil. So put a circle in the soil. Then this is sunflower, S-U-N F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, sunflower. So just put a circle around the sunflower. Okay, and in the same way you can recognize all the names who start with the letter S, and then circle the object. Now turn the page number 25. Page number 25, and the letter is T. And the letter is T. And now read the task. Use the words given in the blue box to write the names of the pictures given below. Here in the blue box, all the names has written. You have to just recognize the picture and match the picture with the correct name. Now see, the first picture is a tiger, and see here the tiger has written. So just write here tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Then the second picture is of a top, T-O-P, top, and see here top has written. Next, this is a picture of a tree, T-R-E-E, tree. Then this is a tortoise, T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E. Here the spelling has written. And this is a tomato, T-O-M-A-T-O, tomato. And here the spelling has written. This is your homework, student. You can fill all the